Well, hey, welcome to Engineers and Mystics. My name is Peter Lucier, and today we're going to take what we learned in our chapter on fire and we're going to use it in the outdoors here. We're going to interact with Mother Nature. She's a wily woman. Forces that we have at our disposal are nothing compared to her. So let's go out into the wilderness and see what happens. Walking out in the woods, you got to be very aware. You got to use your eyes, obviously, your ears, your nose. Really, when the leaves are falling like this, I like to listen to the animals actually walk on the ground, crunching the leaves. Being able to tell what type of animal is moving around me, even if I can't see them, based on the noise they make when they step on the leaves. And right now, I'm smelling something. It ain't a coon, ain't a possum, but I think it's over here. So let me go check this out. These logs are a great example of a lot of different critters like to hide in here. I always like to kind of sniff around and reach down in them, see what I can find, but I ain't smelling a critter. I'm smelling something else, so let's see what's in here. Yep, I thought so. Let me see. Sometimes back in the day, old moonshiners used to put their juice inside a good old stump like that, and I got a nose for whiskey. I can, 20-year-old trail I can pick up from a half-mile away. This is a great way to get a trip started. That one's for me. That one's for Mother Nature, and this one's for you. All right, one more for me. No, that's fine. Don't tell nobody. It ain't squirrel season. That day is coming. But until that day, I'm gonna keep my eye and my mind sharp. Now that's one for the pot. Let's see if we can get two. We feeling good today. My girl loves a good squirrel stew, so let me see if I can bag a third one. We eating good tonight. Alrighty, what we have here in front of us is stinging nettle. Now, many people don't understand how nutritional and healthy this food is. It contains vitamins A, several B vitamins, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Minerals it contains is phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and iron. Now, it also contains all the essential amino acids. Now, this is really a superfood. And peoples before us understood this. The Egyptians used to use it to treat arthritis and lower back pain, while the Romans used to rub it on them to stay warm. Now, this little guy ain't no joke either. Many of you may be familiar with him. I just picked the heads, it's the tenderest part, but if you rub this on you, like I'm doing right now, it's gonna secrete an acid on my skin. It's gonna poke me and secrete an acid. You may not see it, but it's gonna create a stinging sensation. Now it's healthy and delicious, and we're gonna cook it up this afternoon with everything else we got going on. So let me just collect a little bit of this. So here we have made a fire just like our ancestors did. And like them also, we are now going to cook our food around this wonderful fire and gather as a community. So today, as you saw, I have my stinging nettles. I also foraged some morel mushrooms. Lucky to have those. And for our main course, our main meal, we're going to do venison backstrap, deep fried, seasoned with jalapeno and garlic.
And there you have it. What we have here is our sauteed nettle, corn on the cob, and our fried venison backstrap seasoned with jalapeno and garlic. It was a nice touch with the jalapeno and garlic. So, bon appetit. Delicious. Next thing I need now is a drink. I'm getting thirsty. Well, I'm getting tired. I want to thank you all for joining us on this first adventure regarding our first chapter on fire. It's a real pleasure having you guys along, and we'll be doing it again. So join us on chapter 2 for traditional archery. I'm going to bed now.